Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay, so kung ano bang meron. Okay, energies na pwedeng dumating. Okay. So, let's see. Again, don't forget, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay? So, yes, nandito yung ating mga protection. Oo, pagdating sa mga evil eye na ibinabato. Okay? Yeah, hindi natin alam na tayo ay binibigyan ng evil eye ng ibang tao. Okay? Kahit yan ay sabihin nating nakikita mong parang mabait naman, hindi naman natin may iwasan. Tao is tao, o diba? So, okay. So, protection from evil eye. So, meron tayong ring. Okay, yung ring natin is adjustable. Meron din tayong dalawang sample ng bracelets. Yung isa is yung adjustable. Ito yun. At yung isa is yung garterize. Ito yung garterize natin. Okay? So, meron din tayong necklace. Okay? So, yung necklace natin is unisex. Okay? Maliit lang naman yung pendant niya. So, ganyan siya. This is non-tarnished, by the way. And, pagdating naman sa mga connections, okay, singles, yan, naghahanap ng love, and ito rin yung nagfi-fix, okay, ng mga kung anong situation na hindi okay sa isang connection. So, siya yung nagfi-fix, si love bracelet. Okay, may nagtatanong, pwede po ba yan sa lalaki? Siyempre, hindi mo yan may susuot, no? Pwede mo tong ilagay sa isang pouch na red. Okay, and lagi mo lang dalhin. Okay, so yun. Kung ikaw ay lalaki, wala pa kasi akong pang lalaki na love bracelet. And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga minamanifest, ito naman si grantor. Okay, si grantor necklace. Okay, so ganyan siya. As you can see, this is unisex and this is made to order. Okay, siya yung nagpo-provide ng surprises. Okay, and sabi ko nga, tagapag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay? And syempre, every time na meron kayong ganito, meron kayong something like, meron kayong mga minamanifest, ito rin, si love bracelet, yan, may mga minamanifest tayo every time na suot natin to. You have to protect your energy. So, kung meron kang available na evil eye, gamitin mo yun kasabay to. Okay? So, yeah. Last is yung ating pang cord cut. So, si cord cut is, ito yung ginagamit natin para alisin or i-cut yung mga energy na nakakapit pa sa'yo, madalas galing sa past. Okay? Kaya sabihin natin, yes, hindi natin alam na nandyan pa rin, energetically, naka-attach pa rin sila. Kaya ikaw yung parang nabibigatan sa kahit anong situation. Like, some of you, pagising mo pa lang ng umaga, ang bigat na. Mga ganong bagay. Okay? May chance na pwedeng merong naka-attach sa'yo na hindi okay na energy. Yes. Okay? So, yeah. May papasa sa'yo. Whatsoever. Okay. So, kung may tanong, message lang po, no? Sa akin pong FB page for more info. And, yeah. Again, don't forget rin na i-follow and subscribe yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below na love letter. Okay, so let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Air signs. What's for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman, air signs? Okay. The Two of Coins in reversed. Let's see. So, ngayon ko lang ulit na gamit tong card na to. So, hindi ako masyadong familiar pa. Okay. Two of Coins in the reversed. and Temperance in reversed. Avoid arguments. Okay? Meron ako nakikita rito na parang hindi pa matatapos na gawain. Pwedeng mapapagdiskusyonan or magkakaroon ng arguments. Pwedeng in general, meron ditong parang hindi agad-agad matatapos. Okay? Could be gawain, nakaschedule, mga ganyan. Yeah. Meron din ako nakikitang pagmamadali. So, sa pagmamadali, lalong kailangan ulitin pa. Parang ganon. Kailangan pa ulitin. Kasi hindi nagawa ng tama sa pagmamadali. Okay? Some of you, specifically, parang meron kayong gustong bilhin. And sa pagmamadali ninyo, no, may chance na meron pa palang mas okay. Like, nabili mo na, tas may makikita kang mas okay. Something like that. Specific yun. Okay? So, there. Avoid parang pagmamadali pagdating sa pagdedesisyon or sa pagpili. Okay? Avoid nyo yun. That's an advice. Goodbye for today. For today's video. Diba? So, what else for air signs? Two of Cups in reversed. What's with that? Knight of Cups. Parang may maglalaylo. A water sign. Okay? Yeah, 5 of Coins. Parang meron dito mag-expect sa'yo na water sign. Feeling niya, same kayo ng kung ano man, like, nagugustuhan. Pero, in the end, may nakikita akong energy ng disappointments. Okay? Death in reversed. Oh. Okay. Ito could be Scorpio, water sign is here. Some of you, meron ditong parang maglalaylo. Kasi parang ang nakikita niya is same ng person niya sa past. I don't know. Or sabihin natin meron ditong person na ayaw ng pag-usapan yung past. Okay, so it's like, okay, that's enough. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. So, iwasan lang siguro natin, no? If ever. Kung sa tingin mo yung person, or, yeah, in general, kung yung person ay ayaw niya pag-usapan yung isang bagay, then wag na nating ipilit pa. Okay? Some of you just want, like sabihin nating story or clarity or whatsoever, pero yeah, this is just like respect, boundaries. Okay? May maglalaylo or parang meron ditong parang hindi na makakagusto, or sabihin nating ang tawag dyan, turn off. Alam mo yun, nakaka-turn off kasi parang nakikita niya is yung past. I don't know kung ano yun. Okay? So what else for air signs? There's this somebody who's in your past na sabihin nating may chance na mag-resurface. Okay? May chance na mag-resurface. So what else for air signs? Justice in reversed. And Ace of Cups in reversed. Some of you, hindi ka na nagiging fair pagdating sa sarili mo. I don't know. Hindi ka na nagiging fair. Yeah, 5 of Cups. Okay. So, unwilling. Ang naririnig ko, unwilling na maging okay. Na mag-move on, na mag-heal. Could be water sign or Libra. Some of you, there's this somebody na pwedeng iniisip is makasarili ka daw. Or ikaw ito na nag-iisip na makasarili sila kasi parang wala silang pakialam sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Swords in reverse. He doesn't give an F. Okay? Some of them, parang tingin mo, some of you nakakaramdam na parang hindi na nagiging fair yung sitwasyon. Kasi parang hindi na sila parang hindi ka nila iniintindi. Okay? And the Queen of Swords in reverse. Meron ditong disappointed. Meron ditong nagagalit na. The Hermit. Pansinin nyo. Okay? Meron ditong parang ayaw nang makisama. Ayaw nang puntahan ka. Kasi yung energy is like nagtatampo. I don't know why. I don't know why. Some of them kasi they're thinking na parang mas mayroon kang pinapaboran or whatsoever. Could be vice versa. Or flip yung energy kung sino man to or pwedeng ikaw to. Parang ganyan. Meron dito nagtatampo. Somebody na lagi na lang parang naka-isolate. Lagi na lang hindi sumasama sa'yo. Lagi na lang tumatanggi, humihindi. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Cups. Feeling nila wala na silang time for me or whatsoever. Okay? You're upset. They're sad. They're mad. They're angry. Some of them. Okay? So, next. Fire signs. Okay, fire signs. Okay. So, meron tayong extra dyan, no? Oo. Wala pa siyang name. Bigyan nyo ng name. Oo. I-comment nyo sa ibaba. Comment down below. Kung anong ating pwedeng ipangalan sa kanya. Okay. So, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Fire signs. One more. Okay. Let's see. What's for you, fire signs? Okay, Seven of Swords. Oh. Oh, why? Ten of Cups in reversed. May tatakas. Ha? Hindi ko alam. Yun ang pinaka-word na narinig ko. May tatakas. What's with the Seven of Swords? Kumustahin ninyo yung mga sabihin nating miyembro ng inyong pamilya. Kumustahin nyo, iba sa inyo. Seven of Swords, the Chariot in reversed. Meron ditong hindi papayagan. Ikaw alam ha, meron ditong hindi papayagan at tatakas na lamang. Okay? Merong tatakas. Yeah, that's so specific. Okay. What else? Or parang meron ditong ma-upset or malulungkot kasi hindi pinayagan. There's these secrets. Na pwedeng mabunyag. Na talagang magkakaroon ng issue. Yeah. Kung ano man yung mga kailangan yung sabihin, address them. Address it. Speak out. Okay? Speak up. The Fool. Three of Coins. New business venture. Yan ang narinig ko. New business venture. Branch. May mag-open ng branch. May papasok sa partnership. This is talking about finance. Okay, some of you, this is regarding sa pinapasukan mong trabaho rin. Okay? Some of you, there's this meetings. Okay, what's with that Fool? What's with the Fool? The King of Cups in reversed. Be careful sa mga taong parang lagi na lang nandyan kapag may kailangan lang sa'yo. Ha? Okay? Kasi meron ditong ganyan. Judgment in reversed. May magbibigay ng kanyang, may makakarinig na, like, sabihin natin insensitive. Okay? May pagka-insensitive yung dating. Kung ano man to, sabihin natin that's their opinion. Okay? Opinion nila yon, pero ang tingin ko insensitive eh. Yeah. Kasi walang preno yung bibig. Hindi nila alam makakasakit sila. Yeah, Six of Swords in reverse. Mag-iiwan ng mga questions. Yeah, this is Judgment. Kasi itong taong to, may chance na parang tingin nila sila yung magaling. Sila yung tama. Ace of Swords. Yeah, this is connection, communication, something like that. Andun yung energy na medyo may pagkamayabang or self-centered. Okay? Tapos parang may nakikita kasi ako dito na parang merong tao na gustong iangat yung sarili niya. Nagbubuhat ng sariling bangko. Parang ganyan. So, I don't know. May chance na may mangyaring ganito. I don't know why. I don't know. Kung bakit kailangan pang malaman yon. Bakit kailangan malaman ng mga fire signs yon? Na Queen of Swords. Baka magalit ka. So, avoid na lang. Mas stress ka pa. Okay? Yeah. What else? Fire signs. What else for fire signs? What else for fire signs? Tower in reversed. Okay. Meron ako dito nakikita ng 1 minute, sabihin natin, may magba-back out. Okay? May magba-back out. Like, 1 minute na lang, may magba-back out pa. I don't know kung ano yun. Could be, sabihin nating lakad, and then, maya-maya may mag-chat or magsasabi, ay, hindi pala ako makakasama. Ay, hindi pala ako makakatuloy. Parang may ganon. Anyway. Yeah, Page of Swords in reversed. Some of you, meron ditong taong nag-a-avoid sa'yo, pero they are stalking you. They are watching you. Okay? The Queen of Wands. Oh, they feel intimidated. Anong meron? They're trying to avoid you. They're trying to avoid conversation with you because they're intimidated. Bakit? Anong meron dito? And Seven of Wands. Yeah. Parang feeling nila i-reject mo sila. Something like that. Okay? Anong meron? The Six of Swords. Parang, I don't know. Some of you, kailangan mong humindi sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang bagay ngayong araw na to, siguro. Okay? Na feeling mo hindi mo kaya na. Okay? Hindi lahat is pwede mong oohan. Fire signs. Hindi lahat pwede mong oohan. Okay? Para rin siguro sabihin natin may avoid natin na ituro sa atin lahat if ever may mangyaring mali or what. Okay? Hindi tayo lahat yung masisisi. Parang ganon. Anyway, so there. So, kayo nang bahala na mag-elaborate. O, diba? So, next. Ang lalaki kasi na itong cards na to. Ba't ganyan? So, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, yeah. So, mayroon na ba kayo naisip na name for our cat? Oo. So, diba? Yeah. May extra siya dyan. Diba? Cutie-cutie. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Comment down below kung anong gusto nyong i-name natin sa kanya. Itawag. Wala ka pa akong may isip, actually. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What's for you? Okay. Knight of Swords. Ano na naman ang inyong pinag-iisip? Ano na naman? Okay. Eight of Swords. Knight of Swords. Ano bang pumipigil sa'yo? Ano ang pumipigil sa'yo? Queen of Swords in reverse. Some of you, ikaw itong may mga gustong gawin, pero natakot na gawin. Let's see. Ano ba yan? Some of you are just overthinking. The Ace of Coins. The Ace of Coins could be, sabihin nating changes. Some of you, ikaw itong parang gusto mo na lang din talagang umalis, no? Magsimula ng iyo. Yeah. Kasi the Eight of Swords, that's somebody who is feeling trapped. And ikaw itong parang gusto mo nang umalis. Yeah, pwede naman. The Ace of Coins is here. Okay? Kung feeling mo, the situation or the people surrounding you is giving you, sabihin nating delays, then, yeah, kailangan mo nang gumawa ng decision here. Okay? Kailangan mo nang gumawa. Enough with the emotions muna. Set aside your emotions. Okay? Kasi minsan, yun yung parang nagtatalo eh. The isip and the puso. No? Parang ganyan. So, if you're practical, then, yeah. Minsan, kailangan nating utak muna ang pagganahin kasi sa emosyon. Set aside natin yung emosyon. Okay. Iba sa inyo pagdating sa money. Ang nakikita ko dito parang may nangyaring parang sabihin nating flatline. Okay? Pagdating sa pera, may chance na may mangyaring pagbabago. Okay? This is nice. Sabihin natin this is fast. Okay? I'm hearing an offer for you. Okay? An offer. Sabihin natin uncomfortable, no? I don't know why. May chance na this is sabihin nating bago sa'yo. Pero, yeah, lahat naman ng nangyayari sa atin is palaging sabihin nating may simula. Kaya, every time may simula, may takot. Okay? Every time na meron tayong may experience na bago, nandyan yung takot, kaba. Ganoon naman talaga. So, let's see what else for water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Knight of Coins. Okay. Wag mo wag mong hayaan yung pera mong nakastock. Okay? The Nine of Wands, yeah. Knight of Coins, Nine of Wands. May naririnig ako file, like, I don't know, like pile up, sabay-sabay, parang ganyan. Yeah, King of Swords in reverse. So, I think the strategy, okay, parang merong kailangan gawing mas okay na strategy para mas maging okay rin yung pamemera ng iba sa inyo. Okay? Kasi parang yes, ang dami-dami mong ginagawa pero the pera na pumapasok is low. No? So you have to strategize. Kailangan mo may bagong strategy gawin. Okay? Yeah. So kasi parang walang progress, I think. Walang kilos, walang galaw. Yeah, the Tower in reverse. Ten of Wands in reverse. Some of you, baka i-drop mo na lang to kung ano man to. Mag-resign. Some of you. Okay. Or, I'm hearing a bankruptcy, no? So, mas maganda, gumawa tayo ng strategy kaysa naman dumating pa tayo sa ganung punto. Okay. So, what else for water signs? Kung kailangan mong i-grow yung pera mo, i-grow. No, grow mo. Palaguin mo. Knight of Wands in reversed. That's with that. Nawawala kayo sa direction, water signs. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Nawawala kayo sa direction. Hindi mo alam na yung meron na kayong mga sabihin nating the commitments, hindi na naaayos. The Five of Swords, I don't know kung ano ba yung nagbibigay sa inyo ng stress kaya hindi na ninyo ma-focusan yung mga dapat pag-focusan. Okay? There's always pendings, delays. Okay. The Sun. Okay. So, some of you, unahin daw muna yung mga commitments bago yung sabihin natin. Ay, ang narinig ko rito, bago mo bilangin yung sisiw, na 'di ba? Parang ganun, bago mo daw bilangin, bago mo daw makita muna yung success. Parang ganyan. Tingnan mo muna kung anong ginagawa mo. Like, sabihin natin, huy, wala pa man, binibilang mo na. Parang ganon. Some of you, water signs, I'm hearing this message. Okay? So, it's like, okay, sige, bibilin ko na yan, may darating naman akong pera. Parang ganon. Okay? I-fit nyo yung sarili nyo sa kung anong situation meron kayo. Kung anong meron. It's like, some of you are expecting something na pwedeng sabihin nating may delay. Okay? Meron kayong inaasahan pero yun pala, masyado kayo magiging chillax. Tas yun pala, yes. Hindi pala mangyayari. So, the Fool. So, wag tayong yung iwasan natin muna, no? Yung parang masyado tayong nag-iisip ng agad-agad, wala pa man. Okay, I don't know. Who needs to hear that? Pero that's a message. Yeah, that's a message. Okay. So, anyway, so there. Next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. So, what's for you, Earth signs? What's for earth signs? What's for our earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, yeah. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Love letter. Okay? So, excuse me. Meron na ba kayong naisip na name for our cat? Oh, wala pa tayong maisip na name. So, comment down below kung anong gusto mong name. Mamimili ako. Okay. So, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What's for you? Justice Universe. What's with that? Okay. So, ito, ibang card to. Hindi siya kasama sa ating tarot. This is Stairway to Light. Okay, there's this something. Okay, so isama natin. Bubunot pa ako ng isa. So, Justice Universe, Stairway to Light in reversed. Some of you, if you're doing something na hindi tama, babalik sa'yo. Okay? It's like karma. Yeah, we have bad karma, good karma. Pero naka-Justice Universe to. Anyway, if another person ang gumagawa sa'yo nito, then justice will be served. Okay? Let's see. Yeah, the 7 of Coins. It's like you're just, sabihin nating earning, kung anong ginagawa mo. Kung ano ang energy na binabato mo, yun din ang papasok, yun din ang babalik sa'yo. Okay? That's general. Okay? Some of you, if you have these legal cases or legal matter, legal issue, the 7 of Coins is here. There's this sabihin nating progress na pwedeng mangyari dyan sa dyan sa, I think, legal matter na meron sa inyo. Okay? May progress. Okay, King of Wands, Universe, 4 of Cups. Anyway. So, what else for earth signs? For earth signs. Be careful who you trust, okay? The Queen of Cups in reverse. And the Two of Swords. Having healthy boundaries. This is healthy boundaries. Okay? Some of you, wag nyo raw tipirin yung sarili nyo. Wag mo raw gawing option yung sarili mo, earth signs. Sinong tinamaan doon? Wag mo raw gawin na yung sarili mo lagi na lang sa huli. Okay? Wag raw. Wag mo raw pagdamutan din yung sarili mo. Okay? You deserve more. You deserve better, earth signs. What else? Hindi pagiging makasarili ang paggastos pagdating sa sarili. Okay? Kung alam mo naman na naipo-provide mo everything sa iba. Okay? Ang hirap po kasi. Yes! Oo. Ang hirap po kasi. Mas uunahin ko lang po yung mas importante kaysa sa ganto ganyan. Hindi ka ba importante? Ang tanong ko. Hindi ka ba importante? Kahit ngayon lang, kung meron kang gusto, gawin mo. Okay? Kung meron kang gustong gawin ngayon na matagal mo nang pinag-iisipan at sa tingin mo naman is makakabuti sa'yo, do it. Kung alam mong walang makakasagabal sa iba, walang maidudulot na kung anumang masama sa iba, do it. Kung pera mo naman ang gagamitin mo, do it. Just do it. This is your sign. Okay? Yung may matagal ka nang gustong bilhin for yourself, ang tagal na nandyan sa cart mo, 3 taon na ata. Bilhin mo na ngayon. Yeah. Bilhin mo na. Okay? It's your sign. It's like go signal. Okay. So what else for you, earth signs? Earth signs. Ace of Coins in reversed. And the Emperor in reversed. Manage your sabihin nating kaperahan. Okay? I-manage mo. Some of you, I'm seeing here somebody who's resigning. Okay? Resigning. May nagre-resign or I don't know, meron ditong parang may magba-back out sa isang project. Na Ace of Wands. There's this new, sabihin natin new offer coming in. Kung sa tingin mo, may isang situation dito na hindi na nagiging okay, hindi na nagbibigay ng magandang energy sa'yo, then yeah. For me, some of you, may chance, no, na parang merong parating pa na mas okay kaysa dito. There's this new opportunity coming in for you. A new door of opportunity knocking. Okay? So, strength is here. Yeah. The Devil. So, yeah, toxic yung nakikita kong something na sitwasyon, kaya parang kailangan ng gumawa na magkaroon ng pagbabago or magkaroon na ng sabihin nating endings if ever. Okay? So, some of you may chance na mag-open lang ng business kasi ang hirap ng may amo. Ang hirap, ayun, no? Stress ka na. If you're into business, if you're into sabihin nating mas okay na ikaw na lang yung gumagawa ng pera sa pamagitan mo lang din, then gawin mo. Okay? Yeah. So, yun. Ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.